The Moeraki Boulders in New Zealand are a geological wonder, each one a nearly perfect sphere, some weighing over a ton. Formed around 60 million years ago, these massive boulders are actually concretions, created by the gradual accumulation of minerals and sediment. Their smooth, round shapes are a result of erosion, making them look like giant marbles scattered along the beach. Local Maori legends say they are the remains of a great canoe that washed ashore, adding a touch of mythology to their natural beauty. Walking among these ancient giants, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at nature's artistry and the stories these stones could tell.